Hemp seeds may look tiny, but inside your body they create a powerful chain reaction. The moment you eat them, your stomach begins breaking them down, releasing plant-based protein, omega-3 and omega-6 fats, and essential minerals. These nutrients move into the intestines, where they're absorbed into the bloodstream and delivered throughout your body. Muscles use the protein for repair and strength, while your brain benefits from healthy fats that support focus and mood. Most people feel a clean, steady boost of energy. Hemp seeds are gentle for most, but some may experience mild stomach discomfort or skin sensitivity. Overall, they're one of nature's most efficient nutrient boosters.